The Redmi 13C is a budget-friendly smartphone that comes with good design, a 5000 mAh battery and a starting price of 98,000 naira. The Redmi 13C is also a 5G device that was launched in December 2023. Xiaomi is known for releasing featured-rich smartphones at competitive price. The Redmi 13C is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 processor, which is an octa-core processor that balances power and efficiency. The smartphone starts with a base of 4GB of RAM. This phone is ready to tackle your everyday apps with ease. But for those who crave more power, the 6GB and 8GB option are like turbocharging your multitasking capabilities, making sure you can switch between tasks without missing a beat. Let's talk about storage, because who likes running out of storage? The Redmi 13C comes in 128GB and 256GB storage for each RAM variant, giving you room for all your photos, videos and apps. With that said, let the geek dive in. Let's talk about what you can find inside the silk packaging of the Redmi 13C. Opening the box, the first thing that catches your eye is the device itself, packaged with a protective casing. You will also find other accessories to enhance your usage, like the USB Type-C cable, a SIM card ejector tool and a user manual. It doesn't come with an earphone, which I don't really fancy anymore. Now would be a good time for you to like this video if you are enjoying it, and also subscribe if you want to see more amazing content like this. Xiaomi has upped the game by giving a smartphone that feels great in the hand. The smartphone looks premium with the design. There's also a big difference in aesthetics from the Redmi 12C to the Redmi 13C. The front design of the Redmi 13C comes with a 6.7-inch LCD that's surprisingly bright. The U-shaped notch at the top has an 8-megapixel camera. The colors pop and the 90Hz refresh rate makes everything smoother. Whether you are reading or watching any video, the screen brings content to life. I love the fact that Xiaomi kept the back of the Redmi 13C minimal. The matte finish makes it super cool as it reduces fingerprints and smudges. The matte finish also makes it comfortable to hold. The smartphone weighs 192 grams, which makes it easy to carry in your pocket every day. Under the smartphone, you'll find the speaker grill, USB Type-C port and a microphone cutout. By the left side of the device, you will also find a SIM tray that supports dual SIM along with a dedicated slot for SD card. The Redmi 13C maintains the MediaTek Helio G85 processor used in the Redmi 12C. I was not impressed with that. I was expecting something better like the G88 processor, since it's an upgraded version. When it comes to budget-friendly smartphones, you should be familiar with this chipset. When it comes to casual gaming, the device performs very well, but coming to moderate gaming like PUBG and Call of Duty Mobile, you need to set the graphics and frame rate to low in order for you to get the best experience. I wouldn't call it a smartphone that was built with gamers in mind. The Redmi 13C comes with MIUI 14 based on Android 13. A Xiaomi MIUI 14 allows you to uninstall and disable bootware apps. The battery life is where the Redmi 13C shines. With a 5000 mAh battery, this phone keeps you connected all day. It's perfect for anyone who's always on the move. And while it supports 18W fast charging, you get a 10W charger in the box, so consider grabbing a fast charger if you want to enjoy 18W fast charging. The Redmi 13C may not be a camera superstar, but in the right light it can capture some impressive shots. The 50-megapixel main camera works hard to give you colorful, detailed image when the light is on your side. It's also important to understand that megapixel alone does not define the quality of a camera. The macro camera comes with 2 megapixel and the auxiliary camera comes with 0.8 megapixel. The photos are great for the price range in daylight, while for low light it doesn't handle it well, which most budget smartphones struggle with. Both the front and rear camera support 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second. There you have it, the Redmi 13C, a budget-friendly 5G smartphone that checks all the right boxes, from stunning design to its capable performance and long-lasting battery life. It's a phone that gets the job done, and for those moments you want to capture, camera is ready to seize the day. If this review helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech content. So what's your take on the Redmi 13C? Drop a comment below and I will see you guys in the next video.